This is why 90% of creatives fail to start posting on social media. Ooh boy, check out those magnify hats. Welcome to day 4 of my 30 days of posting. Today's kind of a serious topic, so let's get into it. 2 words. Analysis paralysis. Analysis paralysis is a type of procrastination. You start off with a question, then you research the question to get the answer, and then somewhere in that research process, you hit a wall of fear, anxiety, insecurity. You convince yourself that the problem is that you haven't given enough thought into the subject. So therefore, you just keep researching and researching and researching. Doesn't matter if it's been days, weeks, months, or years. You're stuck in this loop. In the caption below, I left you 5 tips to help beat analysis paralysis and to get you to start creating.